Hey guys, how's it going? Yesterday I unboxed the newly released OnePlus Nord, and today I just thought I would give my brief thoughts about three cases which I currently have for this device. As you can see, I got the teal version, which I think is a very nice color, and I pre-ordered this, so I got the this nice pre-order exclusive packaging, and inside I have two cases here: the black Sandstone case, the Finsta design case, and of course there's the clear case that you get with the device itself. So let me just put this to the side for now, and let's start off with the clear case. So nothing much going on with this, just a very flexible clear case. It has this sort of frosted diamond design, which is kind of the theme they've got going on with the Nord brand. It's even on the stickers, for instance. Obviously have all the cutouts in place, and there's also, interestingly, this little bit here that goes inside of the charging port, so it's a nice addition. It should keep some dust particles and stuff getting inside. Let's just put this on quickly. So obviously it fits in really well. I think it looks pretty good with the teal color. I don't know if I would have preferred just a clear case without the diamond design, maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's not for everyone. It looks good, I guess, but yeah, to each his own. And of course there's this bit that goes in there. Alright, so as I said, nothing much to say about this, but big thumbs up to OnePlus for actually including it right in the box with the device itself. I think, well, at least for me, I never use a phone without a case, so having that option to just popping the phone in a case immediately is a nice addition. So let me just get this off, and we can move on to the Sandstone case now. It fits on pretty tight. There we go. Okay, so here's the black Sandstone case, and for anyone who had the very first device released by OnePlus, that's the OnePlus One, which I had, this is very reminiscent of it. So you have this kind of rough, gritty texture, which however feels pretty good to the touch. It's a very strange sensation, but definitely a pleasing one. And yeah, definitely a big pro of this case is that it's very it won't slip off your hand, that's for sure. So it gives a very good grip. On the inside there's just this minimal branding here designed by OnePlus, and of course the logo on the back. Again, all the cutouts as you'd expect, so let's just put the device in. Okay, so feels good in the hand. I like how there's that sort of accent of the teal with the overall black design. You have, of course, the alert slider cutout, and then the power button is actually covered. It feels pretty springy and solid. Cutouts for there. Unfortunately, no tab like the clear one here to cover the port, but that's okay. Also for the volume rocker you have like the power buttons, just as they're covered. So, and of course on the top just a little hole for the mic there. Yeah, it feels pretty good. As I said, if you enjoyed the feel on the OnePlus One, this is definitely for you. And interestingly, I got this was the free mystery gift that they had with pre-orders. There were, I suppose, other versions. I don't know if they were all just free cases. For the record, I chose the 90 Hz mystery gift display. I don't know if you know, but for the pre-orders they had the mystery gifts. They were like 5 to choose from, and they were just the functions of the phone. So like 90 Hz display, the warp charge, etc. So I don't know if the gifts were somehow related to what you choose, or whether it was just all random. But this is what I got, so it's a nice addition as a pre-order bonus. So yeah, black Sandstone case, thumbs up from me. Just get this off now. And I have to say, all of these fit on pretty tight, but it's off. So let's move on to the last one, which is the Finsta case, which is the one I wanted to get as soon as it was announced, because I really like the black and blue and the design, the overall design of it. So this one, of course, you have the barbed wire design with the OnePlus logo there, and at the bottom OnePlus Nord and Finsta. And on the inside, this also has this nice Nord theme going on, and OnePlus. Now, as opposed to the other cases, this has very large cutouts. The bottom is practically all, exposed. And let's just put this on. Okay. Again, very nice, secure fit. It looks really good. You still have that teal showing, and it's good that with this case the camera cutout is actually, the camera modules get flush with the actual case itself. So if you put it down, you won't have any sort of wobble there. So that's nice. Also, this is, I believe it's just hard plastic, and so far as material goes, but it has this really nice kind of rubbery feel. I mean, it's not rubber, I suppose, but it does kind of feel like that. It has this nice feel, and like the Sandstone case, I don't see this slipping off so much. So, of course, the textures are different, but as I said, this feels kind of rubbery. This is gritty. It's Sandstone, obviously. So yeah, I really like this particular case, which I will be using. There are also 2 other designer cases. I forget the names right now, but this was the one that really stood out for me. That's basically it. I hope you guys found this video useful. I haven't seen any other videos showing the designer cases, so I was happy to put mine up. If you have any sort of questions or whatever, feel free to post them down below. Let me know what you think of these cases, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.